For over 40 years, one company has stood between Florida's most iconic structures and the most powerful force in nature. This is All South Lightning Protection. Based in Tampa, Florida, home to some of the highest lightning strike rates in the entire country. Our team of 25-plus certified professionals is ready to protect any structure anywhere in the state. With a fully equipped fleet, we bring the right tools to every job site. Engineering, estimating, and project management, handled in-house from start to finish. With our Jacksonville branch, we serve clients across North and Central Florida, led by industry veterans with over 40 years of combined expertise in lightning protection. Our certified crews don't cut corners. Every job starts with safety. Certified riggers on every crew, every time. Expert craftsmanship, from rooftop air terminals to underground grounding systems. No subcontractors, ever. Every technician is trained, certified, and all south. Precise underground cable routing, the backbone of every lightning protection system. No job too high, no structure too complex. All south goes where others won't. Our crews work until the job is done, no matter what it takes. From residential rooftops to industrial campuses, this is All South in action. Precision work, certified professionals, Florida's most trusted lightning protection company. The numbers speak for themselves. Here's what we install. Air terminals and strike termination devices, the first line of defense against a direct strike. Architecturally invisible protection. You'll never know it's there until you need it. Full building electromagnetic shielding for facilities that can't afford any risk. Protecting sensitive equipment and data from the devastating effects of power surges. As solar grows across Florida, so does the need for proper lightning protection. Corrosion-resistant systems built for Florida's most demanding coastal environments. Architecturally matched to any structure. Beautiful and functional. Tampa General Hospital. Heliport expansion. When lives are on the line, there's no room for error. All South was trusted to protect one of Florida's most critical medical facilities. Our commercial portfolio speaks for itself. Amazon's Tampa Distribution Center, large-scale industrial protection at its finest. Walmart's Arcadia Distribution Center, protecting critical supply chain infrastructure. Verizon Orlando, keeping telecom infrastructure online when storms hit. The City of Tampa's 911 call center. Mission critical. Zero tolerance for downtime. Suncoast Credit Union, protecting the financial institutions communities depend on. Sykes Enterprises, corporate campus protection across the Tampa skyline. Sykes, Truist. Bank of America. All South protects the buildings that define Tampa. High-rise protection from the ground up to the very top of the skyline. Florida's most iconic landmarks trust All South. The Don Cesar Hotel, a St. Pete Beach landmark since 1928, protected by All South Lightning Protection. J.C. Newman Cigar Company, preserving Tampa's historic Ybor City heritage. The Moxie Hotel, hospitality-grade protection right in the heart of Tampa. J.W. Marriott, Clearwater Beach, luxury waterfront protection on Florida's Gulf Coast. The World Golf Hall of Fame in St. Augustine, a world-class destination, protected by All South. The Motor Enclave, specialty venue protection for one of Florida's most unique destinations. Premium residential protection for Florida's finest luxury estates, from the playing field to the arena. The Jacksonville Jaguars NFL training facility, where champions train, protected by All South. The Baltimore Orioles Player Development Building, protecting the next generation of talent. Zoo Tampa at Lowry Park, protecting one of Florida's most beloved family destinations. ViStar Veterans Memorial Arena in Jacksonville, venue scale protection for thousands of fans. The Museum of Science and Industry, protecting Tampa's landmark of discovery and learning, where protection isn't optional. Advent Health Riverview, comprehensive lightning protection for a full healthcare campus. Florida Cancer Specialists, protecting the medical facilities that save lives every day. Shriners Hospital for Children, because no facility deserves more care than this one. Lake Regional Hospital's I-4 Medical Office Building, critical healthcare infrastructure protected. The University of South Florida, campus-wide protection systems for thousands of students. K-12 schools across Florida trust All South to protect their students and staff. Every community, every structure. Our Lady of Angels, lightning rod installation on a historic church steeple. Houses of worship across Florida protected with care and precision, from small congregations to large campuses. Every community deserves protection. The Henry B. Plant Museum, protecting Tampa's most treasured historic landmark. And we don't stop at commercial. Your home is your most valuable asset. All South builds custom residential systems for any structure. Luxury coastal homes require systems built to withstand Florida's harshest conditions. Invisible protection, corrosion-resistant, designed to last a lifetime on the coast. But behind every project, it's our people, a team built on trust, skill, and dedication. This is the All South family. Every great project starts with great people working toward a common goal. We don't just protect buildings, we build lasting partnerships with every client. From above, you can see the Florida we protect, from Tampa Bay to Jacksonville, from the Gulf Coast to the Atlantic. All South Lightning Protection has been trusted to protect Florida's skyline for over 40 years. Schedule your free assessment today. Visit allsouthlightningprotection.com or call us at 813-63-02757. All South Lightning Protection. Protecting what matters most.